Today we're going to talk about how to get super sharp pictures or video on a EOS 80 Canon D. So it's dead easy. It's like any other camera that is within the Canon range. It's a case of you just navigating the focus points to get crisp, sharp images that you need. Okay, first one is your lens. Obviously your lens will make a difference to your video quality. So I've at the moment got this on manual. You can have it in autofocus mode or manual focus mode. That will make a difference. Okay, so when you're taking a picture or video and you're half pressing this, it will go in focus or out of focus depending on what you're shooting. Okay, the next thing I want to discuss is focus points. Now focus points are the things that you can navigate to get more crisper video or photography. Newer cameras have hell of a lot more focus points. You know, if anyone can name me the most focus points a camera has, that'd be amazing. But you know, new ones have stupid amounts because people want sharp quality, very crisp looking things of apples or whatever they may be shooting. So with this one, if the one I usually press is this button here, and this will take me to my focus points. Now if you click on that, you can also look through your viewfinder and be able to control your focus points as well. But if you're using the LCD screen, if you click on this button, it will take you directly to your focus points, and this is touch screen, so you can click. So at the moment I've got it on one single point autofocus mode. So basically whatever I press on the screen, it will focus on. Okay, if I click on the next one, this is a more broader zonal focus point, so it's picking up a lot more within my frame. Okay, so if I click on that one, you can see a lot more of my points are selected, and I can click on these and it will give me specific points. So if you've got like something like up in the air that you want to focus in, or something on the ground you want to focus in, or something on the left or the right you want to focus, but you want a broader range of area to focus, that will allow you to do that. The next one is large zonal focus. So this is like maybe a third of your frame will be in focus. Okay, and the next one, oh sorry, I've gone out. The next one is 45 autofocus. So what this one basically does, if you half press your trigger, it will give you specific points that it will focus in. Okay, again, you can see if I click on this, it doesn't do anything. Okay, so you can see like now I've come out and I'm in this mode. Those focus points ain't there. But if I click on this one and then press on this button here, okay, it will again take me back to my focus points. Okay, so focusing is really, really important in photography. It's, you know, light is obviously the most important thing. Camera is probably second important thing, and your lens is probably the third. But for focusing and getting sharp, and also comparative depth of field of imagery is just as important to be able to capture those moments in a very, you know, kind of emotional way. You want to definitely sort of play around with that in order to get the right exposure and depth of field, and focus points will allow you to navigate those things in your filming or your photography. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, please do post. Happy to respond. If you find this useful, thumbs up would be great. A subscription would be amazing, you know. Not end of the world, but it would be amazing. And anything that you can comment on, whether it be negative or positive, would be greatly appreciated, you know. I don't tend to sort of put myself in videos. I tend to just record these videos, and any commentary would be really, really appreciative. Thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye.